What's going on, Amazon? I am here because we just got the Ninja CREAMi in the mail. It was a Christmas present that my wife and I wanted to splurge on because we're tired of going and buying ice cream and all this other stuff, and we could just make it with the Ninja CREAMi. So I figured, as you can tell, I'm already mid-unboxing. I thought, what better way to show you guys exactly what this product looks like when you get it delivered to the house. So obviously I took it out of the box, but I wanted to show you guys exactly what this thing comes with, how it's set up, and talk about a few of the things and the reasons why my wife and I are so excited about this thing. So number one, you're able to really do just about anything with this Ninja CREAMi. There's like all sorts of recipes online about it. Like, this thing is a massive, massive, incredible product. And so we were like, you know what? Let's take the plunge. Let's try it. And y'all, I'm just like doing the most satisfying things right now to get all this stuff off of it. But got to make sure that I get all of these stickers out of here because we are ready to get going. But like I was saying, y'all, this is a really great product if you're trying to stay out of the dessert aisle and you want to start using an actual dessert maker like this CREAMi is. So again, we just went with the 1 quart. So on here on the bottom, you're going to see, once I get some of this out, I got to figure out. We're doing this live, y'all, so this is just a live look at how I, oh, you gotta hold to release, okay. I'm still just trying to figure this thing out, so. But y'all, the reviews on this are, what I've seen are really good. I don't really know what's happening here. Okay, maybe I gotta take this off first, that's probably helpful. And then, there we go, yeah, I just had to take this box off. But what's nice is you already get one of these containers, right? So you get a 1 quart already comes with it to where you can store it. Obviously you wanna, once this, you blend everything up in here, get it all solidified, but then to have it be ice cream, you wanna actually store this in the freezer. And so it comes with one. There is an option to get 2 of these little guys. So you can always do that if you'd like. But we just went with the 1 for right now, just because we're just trying to, figure this whole thing out, and we gotta do a lot of testing. So there's definitely a lot of directions on here, which I'm gonna be saving. Just wanna make sure that I know everything that's going on with this thing. So as you can tell on here too, you've got like a max fill on here as well. So that's really nice. You can't fill it up past a certain point or else it's gonna mess up. So obviously you can see right here, the nice labeling, and then it locks in onto these in the bottom. So you can see that it's kind of like a gridded sort of thing. So when I take that out, it's wide open. When I pop it back down, it won't go unless I slide it in, and then you're nice and set. And then obviously you just latch this thing back in right here. So y'all, my wife and I are so excited. She's literally like, can you please record this video so that we can wash all this, get it set up, which obviously I'm like, yes, absolutely. We're totally doing that. So I just want to make sure I get everything out and ready. As you can tell here, this is the actual blender right here. So this is what we're going to be placing in. So I got to make sure that I read these instructions right. But y'all, if you guys are on the fence about this product, I'm just saying, I seriously would not be. Literally give this thing a try, add it to your cart, because y'all, I have seen just incredible overall reviews for this bad boy. And so right here, this is where we latch in there we go. So now you latch in this top part to where now we've got this all locked. So this is how we get the paddle latch right here. So this is what's actually gonna be blending this stuff up. And so now, obviously we're gonna wash it first, but now if we wanted to, we've got this locked in. Now we just add our liquids and all that sort of stuff. It's all ready to go, and it's done from there. So this guy is a beast though. You can tell on this screen right here, I gotta come over to the side so you can see it. You've got some certain options on here, right? So obviously the main one that my wife and I are gonna be using is ice cream. There's also, you can do like a sorbet. That sounds really good, really interesting. Might wanna try that as well. But look, y'all, you can even do light ice cream. I don't really know what that is. We might have to just give it a try and actually make some of these and just try out what they are. Gelato, that sounds really good. You could do like a smoothie bowl. So that's like an acai sort of situation. And then obviously you can also do a milkshake. And then you can also do mix-ins and you can do respin. Y'all, there is so much going on here that I am so excited to just try and just get like some recipes going. So I'll definitely be letting you guys know once I do an actual like make of this. We got some like whole milk because we're really trying to get this all set up. And so we've got tons and tons and tons of stuff that we're trying to start doing. We honestly might do like an M&M one because we just got a ton of holiday candy. And so we're like, all right, maybe we could do like an M&M or an Oreo or Reese's sort of thing. And so my wife went out to the store, went to Target, got this stuff. Now I want to make sure that I go through and unbox all this to make sure. Okay, that's what I thought. So right here, you can see this is the lid. So let me finish this just so you guys can see everything that comes with it. Again, I got the 1 pint or quart option. There is a 2, which probably would be beneficial if you're like a husband and wife. Honestly, but the nice thing about Ninja is they've got so many accessories that you can get. So right here, once I'm done with it, right, I just pop this lid on straight from Ninja and then I'm good to go. I can throw this into the freezer to where it'll solidify. So again, this is what would go down in here. And this is where I put all my liquids, all this, the blending stuff, and then this is going to create and work throughout the creaming process, I guess, if you will, is the CREAMi. So anyways, we want to show you guys exactly everything that comes with it. Now my wife is going to be happy. She's behind the camera. She can rinse all this stuff out, get it ready to go because we're going to be doing some fun ice cream coming up really soon. And I just think it's a really fun thing overall. So again, if you guys are on the fence about this product, seriously, don't be added to your cart. This thing looks like a machine. It's a beast. Super excited about it. Makes it super easy as well to lock this thing in. I think I got to figure out, oh, this is cool. So I got to figure out how to do all this stuff first, but anyways, I'm sure it'll tell me at some point. I gotta still do a little bit of direction reading if you can't tell. But it's overall looking really great. I love it. I love the sleek design. We've got a ton of Ninja products. We got an espresso machine. We've got a blender. So we're probably going to do a video showing all the Ninja products that we have because we're huge Ninja fans. And this one is just an incredible product. So again, give this thing a try, add it to your cart. You've also got some directions on here. I'm sure this is probably going to have some recipes as well. They've got some, yeah, they do. They've got a ton of recipes. So you can see all these little recipes that they've got. They can give you like ideas on like how to do like, let me stand here to where you guys can see it. So you can see like if you wanted to do a root beer float, that's super fun. You could do a base, vanilla, leave out vanilla extract, you know, and all this sort of stuff of what you need to do to mix it with. So like Rocky Road, that'd be super fun to make. Chocolate chip cookie dough. This is exactly what you mix in, right, with it, and it gives you these great directions. So overall, they make it super simple, user-friendly, very easy to do. So my wife and I are going to be trying this out, and again, we'll be doing some more videos. So again, just wanted to do an unboxing, show you guys exactly what this product looks like when you get it delivered in the mail. Give this thing a shot. I don't think it'll be disappointed. Have a great day with your Amazon shopping. See you guys. All right, Amazon, I am here putting together a Ninja CREAMi for my wife, and I figured, why don't I show you guys the exact step-by-step on how this thing works, because y'all, I'm just gonna tell you, if you guys are on the fence about this product, seriously, don't be. They've got all sorts of ice creams. We've got ice cream, sorbet, light ice cream, smoothie, gelato, milkshake, and then we got the mix-in. Now, babe, I'm gonna do ice cream, is that right? Mm-hmm. Beautiful, so we just press this button and watch it go to work. So as you can see, you've got all these different modes. It goes through 4 modes. You can hear it going to work. We've also got some Fairlight to add to build that in to where we can mix it to where the consistency is going to be right for ice cream. So now we're on stage number 2, as you can tell. Things are starting to move down. Hopefully you guys can see it on the camera. Now we're on stage number 3. So we're getting all the way almost down to the bottom here. right, and then we're gonna finish it off here in a second. There you go, you got stage 4. All right, then it should be wrapping up here in just a second or two. Here we go. There we go. All right, so now what we do is once we're done, they've got a little unlock. It's super simple. You just twist it again. And then once I press this little lid, I'm gonna show you guys what the inside looks like. So as you can tell, it's very powdery off the start. So we're gonna need to build out a little hole right here. And then we're going to add some more milk on the inside, right? The point is we want to make this go from kind of a chalky, which is what it is right now, to becoming more of a actual art cream. So, again, going to add just a little bit of milk here. And that should go down just a touch. Now, with some of these, you know, you can overfill it. But that's just, you know, kind of the name of the game. I don't really mind if it gets a little bit overfilled and it gets a little junky. It's not going to break it, at least from what I've done. So now that we've done this, you normally run it a couple times to get it to the consistency that you want. And so, again, I'm just going to snap that in. And now, babe, we do the respin. Is that right? Mm-hmm. So that's another function. Basically, it's going to spin everything, adding in this milk. So we just press this. And it's going to really get stuff just kind of distributed throughout the whole canister, all the way down, similar to what it did the last time. I believe you only do 2 stages on this. So they're doing the first one right here, and then it'll go into the second stage. And I think that's really it. Because again, it's just re-spinning and re-stirring everything to where it gets all the way down to the bottom. So things are definitely happening. We've got some stuff moving on the bottom here. Again, it's trying to populate through the whole thing. Oh, never mind. Okay, it looks like it might go through all the 4 stages as well. So again, it's going all the way down to the bottom, trying to re-spin everything in this container. This one goes a lot faster, as you guys can tell. We're already onto the 4th stage. Should be finishing up here in just a second. Beautiful. So then I can just press it again. Now guys, this is gonna probably be the end of the tutorial just because now we're gonna add our little flavorings. We got Oreos that we can do. We've got M&Ms that we can do. It just kind of depends on what you're looking for. And so that's where I lean on my wife to make those types of decisions. She's the executive chef. But as you guys can see here, this is just the second, right? And you can see already that mixture is looking way more like ice cream, not so much a powder. So again, we're gonna just add some more stuff. You've already got the hole in there. We'll just get that hole a little bit more defined. And then we're gonna add, I can actually show you here. You guys can see it's already got like a good consistency here on the top, right? You guys can see that. It's starting to look more like an ice cream, which is really great. So again, overall, definitely recommend this product. It's been amazing to have our own ice cream. Definitely recommend it. Add it to your cart. See you guys on the next one.